Hello everyone. In this video, I would like to show you three ways to access Task Manager. So Task Manager is one of the most useful program that you can change the performance of your PC and other settings like CPU, RAM, hard disk, Ethernet, or Wi-Fi, or even start up program that you can disable it to make your PC faster and which program it's running. So let me show you three ways that you can access Task Manager. Okay, let me close it. So first one, you can just right click anywhere in the taskbar down there. Just right click and choose Task Manager. This is very easy and very simple. Okay, you can access the first one. Just right click on taskbar. And another, just in the old way, we use Control Alt Delete and then open this sign out switch user account and then we just click Task Manager and then boom, it open up for you. So which press Control Alt Delete. So in the old way, especially when we using Windows XP or Windows 7, when the programs that we use that one. Okay, the last one, we use shortcut key. Just press Control Shift Escape ESC, then boom, it show up your Windows Task Manager right here. So you can see all the information that you got. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.